Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Pull the carpet back slightly to gain access to the cabin air filter. There's a screw with a white cap on it that needs to be removed. You can turn the screw using your fingers. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Removing the old filter and installing the new one may require pinching and twisting the filter. Insert your new AQ1101 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the housing door screw. Reinstall the carpet. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.